take my glasses off. So this is a 360 video, so you can choose where you want to look. But while I was in that lay-by, I've just flown my drone, I'm downloading the footage to my laptop. I just saw this square thing and I thought, what's that? And a path to it. So I have had a look, so let's go and have a look. I don't want to make a lot of noise when I'm in here. It's actually a hide to look at the wildlife. I wish I had my other camera. That's why I decided it can be a 360 video. In memory of Ian Pinkerton, March 1947, August 2019, the Common Terns champion. So I don't know what we can see. There's some terns over there on the... What I'm going to do, I'll put the camera out so you can see there's all sorts. And you can have a good look round in 360, so I won't know what it looks like till after. Now then, that is a good way to see stuff without the drone, having obviously the long pole, without disturbing anything. Do you know what I mean? I'm trying to get out of the sunlight, it's blinding me. So if I put it there, it's still a 360 video, so you should still be able to have a look round. Swans over there, ducks, sheep on the field up there, cows. What else have we got? There's all sorts. Yeah, what a place. I'll walk back to the van, but I'll put it on the extended pole, so it's still a 360 video, which takes forever, so oh lord. Oh heck. But anyway, I'll do it anyway, so you can have a good look round at where we are. So this lay-by, we're at Glasson Dock obviously. So this is on the way to Glasson Dock from the Stoke pub, which was on fire, and they've just rebuilt it. So if you get yourself to Glasson Dock, before you get there, when you pass the Stoke, you go over the bridge, you turn right, this is the lay-by, and this is where this is, this little building, to watch everything. I wish I had my other camera. I wouldn't have been able to make it a 360 video if I'd included photographs, I don't think, I'm not sure. But anyway, let's put you up and we'll walk back to the van. Oh, that should make a nice 360 video. As we're speaking, on the left is a wagon that's gone over the bridge and is now stuck. His lights have come on. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to work that way. I might have to go around. We'll see what happens with these cars. There's no way I can get outside of that bridge. It's a humpback bridge he's on. So there's no way I'm going to be able to... I don't know what's happened. He's gone over it too quick and it's hit the middle of the bridge. I don't know what he's done. Oh, he's moving, is he? Oh, I see. No, he's not quite on the road I'm going on. That's all right then. So I don't know what's going on. He's done something. He's been there a while. Anyway, so there you are, 360 video. That puts this camera into what I got it for. Obviously, at the extended pole, balancing the extended pole was hard work, but yeah, what a place. Lovely lay-by. Somebody did say to me, go to the Glassendock and do some videoing. Well, there you are. I've done some videoing at Glassendock. We've actually spent New Year's Eve in the Stoke many years ago, before it caught fire. A friend of ours, he built a house. Where did he build it? Oh, further down. He built his own little bungalow. Well, not a bungalow, it's a house. I think it was his mother's, and she had a bungalow. He knocked it down and built his own house. And he had carvings on the fireplace of mice and all sorts. He spent a fortune on it. But anyway, that's a different story. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you where I actually am. It's a beautiful day and a beautiful place. And this is what it's all about, isn't it? Getting out and about. Oh, that wagon's moving now. Right, so you've had a 360 video. I thought I'd do one, especially when I found that little hive thing. It's a hive, isn't it? So if you ever come to this spot, get in that hive, take some nice pictures. I might bring my proper camera next time I come here tomorrow. So I might bring my proper camera and get some good photographs of wildlife there. Right, I'll move then, the wagon don't think I'm filling in. I'll see you soon. Take care, stay safe, be lucky. And Smithy and his Kentucky and his 360 videos will be back as well. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon.